Well people, welcome back to a fresh YouTube video. I'm just up at my brother's house. We had a phone call for a retro early 90s classic Ford. So we're going to go and look at this and get it pulled out of the garage. So stick with us and we'll get it dragged out. We've got a little niece here. Give us some stick in the comments, a little get. So right, I'm going to go over here now and get it winched out. Yeah, it's actually not me who's bought this car, it's my brother. But he only managed to get it bit going, skips in car, taking some rubbish to it, and it's in a Type 9 gearbox on the floor and an axle off a Capri. Anyway, knocked on, said, what are you doing with this? I said, anyway, they did a deal with that or whatever. And anyway, said, I was interested in this, open the garage, and yeah, you're going to see it in a minute, we're going to winch it out. But quite a rare car, and merely my cup of tea as well. It's an H reg, which will make it a 1990, I think it is. So yeah, we're going to get it bought, put on the truck and have a deal. See if we can, he'll be selling it anyway, so keep an eye out. Well guys, here it is, H-Reg, Fiesta RS Turbo. It's been stood, I think he's had it since 2014, it's got the Recaros in it. Full resto job, but you don't see many of them about, guys. So we're going to get the truck lined up in a minute and get it winched out. I don't know if they're original wheels, I don't know what the miles are on it, but she's logbook with it, all the carpet and all the back stuff's in the back, centre caps. But this is a true icon of the 90s retro scene. So let me know in the comments what you think, guys. What a beautiful car. Bonnet scoops in it. The turbo is off it, but does come with it and a few all the parts and all the stuff. But it's had the head skimmed on it and torqued back down, so it looks good. Seeing through, right through. Welding and a few bits. There's a Pinto engine there coming with the sill. Like I said, the sills have been cut out on that side, so it'll want all redoing. But yeah, not a bad little barn fan, garage find. I'm going to pull the truck up now and get it winched out. Not a bad car, good restoration project, but what's it worth done? Let me know in the comments. This concourse is one there, which is really concourse for 20 odd grand. What are they selling? Is the classic Ford scene dying? I don't know, but I think for the money my brother's paid for it, he'll get out of bed with it, so that's the main thing. So they're just sorting out the payment now and all that carry on, so I'm going to wait in the truck, and when he gives me the go ahead, I'll back up or we'll push it out and we'll get it winched on and we'll give you a proper look at it back at my house, guys. Keep tuned. Right, we've got the winch out now. See if it comes out. We'll get that if you sit in it. Come out easy enough. Come over to me a bit, Bill. Yeah. Tom, we get a video of it so you can send it us. Well guys, she's on. I'm going to get it strapped up now. Get it took home, I'll give you a good look around it when I get back. Not a bad little Saturday afternoon. A little retro find. Anyway, back at the back at my house, we'll show you around it. Right, we're back home now, folks. I'll give you a decent look around it now. By looking at it now, someone's chopped out the front to put an intercooler in. There's an intercooler in the back of it, which we just spotted. But that is some retro style. I love that colour. Obviously she's a rotten, don't get me wrong, she's a rotten old girl, but she's done 90,000, whether that's original or not I don't know, but she wants sills, obviously, as you can see there. Wants a full resto, but as you can see in the back, there's a big intercooler there, all the part work to go with it, the turbo's in there somewhere. It's got there's a water pump, thermostat holes in, original Recaro seats, I think the original, correct me if I'm wrong. Got the RS steering wheel in it, I think they do about 200 or 300 quid. All fuses and that there, but this is a good project for someone. Definitely a good project for someone who's wanting a cheap starter RS classic Ford. Also bought a Capri back axle, which I said, I'm not sure what it is, but it'll be good money. But that's what you want. And it's an RS on the logbook. The numbers are on there. So, all in all, not a bad Saturday evening. Fine. All by going to the skips. I'm not putting any name on the logbook. I'm not going to show the logbook, but yeah, Fiesta RS Turbo. But the logbook is there. I think personally as well that and the white one are the best colours. I do like the red. Well, they're all good. I'm not going to deny it. You don't see many in a row, but out of all, I don't know how many colours they do. I don't think, but out of the 3 colours I know of, which is obviously the black, the white, and the red, I'd say the white just edges the black. But I mean, look how cool that is. Down Blackpool Beach there, but a bit of 90s retro old school clubland on. You'd have women coming in, bloody women inside here. Show us your classic Ford, Dino. Sorry mate, can't. No, I'm only joking. Have a good crack though. That. Let me know in the comments what you think of that. Would you dare take a project on like that? And it will be up for sale, because I know what he's like. He'll sell it. He won't want to do it. So let me know in the comments if you're interested. Let me know what car you had during the 90s era. Did you have a Uno Turbo? Did you have a Mark 1 Clio Williams? Did you what did you have? Renault 5 Turbo? Let me know in the comments. So it's going to be a short, sweet video, but it definitely weren't missing getting a bit of footage of that, because it'll probably be the only one we ever have on the back of the old Sprinter. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Will it go on to live another day, or will it get broken for parts to repair another one? Who knows? So right, I'm going to leave it there. I'll see you next week on a fresh YouTube video. Take care everyone. Subscribe.